Hi everyone, my name is Doğan Yıldız. I am from Geological Engineering Department. Today I am going to talk about advantages of being anonymous on internet. Many people these days seek anonymity on internet because they have many reasons, and I am going to explain those reasons. Before I explain, I want to show my outline first. In my outline there are two titles. One of them is freedom of expression and comfort. The other one is no identity, no prejudice. First of all, being anonymous on internet gives us freedom and comfort because when we are in public, according to Rigby 1995, the society that we live in can be too conservative or too, let's say, protective, and it can be too dangerous for us because we may have extreme opinions, extreme statements, or extreme lifestyle. And when people in public see those extreme opinions, statements, or lifestyle on us, they can physically attack us and they can injure us. People are very afraid of this, and also people are afraid of being fired from their jobs because some bosses are also can be too protective or, let's say, conservative. When people are not anonymous, they cannot do some things. For example, they cannot talk about some taboos, sexual abuse or harassment or kind of those stuff. People cannot also browse everything on internet. For example, they cannot browse some political issues because they are afraid of getting fired from their job, or they cannot watch some adult contents or violent contents. Also, people cannot talk to their doctors if they have some private illnesses, and they are very shy when they are in public. Another thing, people cannot report some criminals because they are afraid of those killers or guilty ones. If people are anonymous, then they are free to report or freely speak about anything. And they can report criminals, they can talk to their doctors, they can browse whatever they want, and they can talk about anything if they are anonymous. Second thing, no identity, no prejudice. People, when they first meet with you, they always have prejudice about you. To remove this prejudice, you have to remove your identity first. You have to be anonymous. For example, when you meet with someone and you are a man and the one is a woman, if she is beautiful, you can maybe you don't want to, you cannot become an objective person. Maybe you want to attract her to yourself and you can be not honest. Or if she's ugly, you want to avoid from her, and again you will not be objective or honest. When you are anonymous, people just care about what you say. They don't care about what you are. Another example, for example, you want to get an advice from a nutritionist, but nutritionist in public that you see she is very fat or he is very fat. What will you think? You will have prejudice. She is fat, how can she will become a solution for me? You will think like this. But if those person if this person anonymous, you will not think about that. You will just get your information and you will just apply that in your life. Another example, for you are think that you are a software engineer, but you are stuck at some point. You want to search it on internet, and you find something that helpful to you, and you use it. But if in real, you check that person is a kid. If you do that same thing in public, maybe you will say, oh, this is kid, he can't know about my professional life, and he cannot do those software because I already studied maybe 8 years. And you will not listen him. According to 7 advantages of surfing internet anonymously, targeted ads are not nightmare because since the companies don't know your identity, they cannot sell you something because they always search about your likes and preferences. When we are getting conclusion, being anonymous on internet gives us fearless speech skill, makes us brave individuals, and helps to find various valuable ideas. At the end of my presentation, there are reference lists you can check later. Thank you for listening.